I'm here with my Auntie Bella, and we're gonna make...
Koobehbah with ara.
We'll start with the filling. What do we do?
Cut the onion very fine, fry it with olive oil, and then put the ground beef meat and season it with salt, pepper, and allspice.
Now we set it aside to let it cool. Now we gotta make the outside of it.
Yes, you soak the bulgur, squeeze it as much as you can, and put it on the Ishli Kufte meat, and grind the onion, and mix everything up, and try to put it in the grinder once, so it will help you not to work too much with the outside with your hands. You can do that, but for me, it's a little bit hard.
Wet the hands. I'm just doing what you're doing.
Yeah, just...
Poke it with your finger and open it. Oh, like this.
and try to make it as thin as possible. You see that?
What a pro.
You have to always keep your hand wet and try to put water on it. Good job. Don't mess it a lot. Yeah, wonderful.
350 oil. And pull them out when they're golden brown. Cheers.
Cheers. Obo!
Oh! Yeah! We did it! High five! Want some?
Join us.